Most Amazon sellers start strong, but only a few ever scale to the next level. The truth is, success on Amazon doesn't come from luck, it comes from having the right growth strategy. I am Munib, growth strategist at Growth Beyond Horizon, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your small Amazon into store into a seven-figure business in 2025, step by step. The first step is simple but often ignored. Choose a niche that grows, not just trends. Most sellers chase what's hot this month, but real success comes from products that have consistent demand all year. Use tools like Keepa, SailorAmp, or Helium 10 to study product history. If the sales chart stays stable, not just spiking during one season, that's your long term opportunity. You are not building for weeks, you are building for years. The second step is all about mindset. Build a brand, not just listings. People don't remember random sellers, they remember brands that tell a story. Even if you sell just one product, make sure it looks and feels like part of something bigger. Focus on great packaging, strong visuals, and A plus content. When customers trust your brand identity, they stop comparing prices and start choosing you. Next comes the real growth engine, smart PPC strategy. Running ads doesn't mean wasting money, it means investing with purpose. Start with automatic campaigns to collect data, then move into manual targeting based on what works best. Keep optimizing your ACOS weekly and remember, your ads should never run without a strategy. Every click should serve a purpose. Data is your best employee. And finally, systemize everything. Seven figure sellers don't hustle harder, they operate smarter. Automate your inventory management, track performance through dashboards, and delegate repetitive tasks to your team or tools. The more you systemize, the more time you will have for strategy, creativity, and scaling. At Growth Beyond Horizon, we help brands implement these exact frameworks, turning confusion into clarity and stories into scalable businesses. If you found this helpful, drop a comment sharing your biggest Amazon challenge and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly insights. Let's build your next seven figure success story together.